What is up, you guys? My name is Barry. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for choosing this channel. This channel about the Lexus RCF, of course. Well, actually, it has a lot of Lexus RCF content. It's not about the Lexus RCF. My goal today is to just enjoy the car. Just enjoy the car on this road. It's another day, another road, another adventure in the Lexus RCF. I'm gonna have as much fun as I can in this car while I'm here in Germany. I'm going kind of slow, I know, but yeah, just gonna go on a little nice drive, little nice cruise. I don't know, maybe I should go hard, maybe I should go soft, not too sure. Either or, I'm just gonna have fun with this car. This car feels so elegant when I don't even speed it. When I don't gun it, it feels so elegant, so soft. Sorry, not soft. It's so controlled. Every time in this car, it's a great adventure. It's a new adventure, and it's just an overall thrilling ride every time. Oh, put it in manual. That offends people when I leave it in drive. Downhills. Ooh. Oh, I gotta fix that scrape. This is a beautiful road. Nice funs and twisties. Road. Very good road. Ooh. Make that turn. Make this turn too. So fun. Nothing like a road full of twisties. Really, sometimes this car, this Lexus RCF, is a good weekend cruiser. Very good cruiser. It's a really GT car, you know? It pretty much is a GT car. The trees look amazing. Look at that. Look at Earth. So calm. No one's in front. That's the best. The best is when you can enjoy your car on a road that's just nobody in front. That's the best time to enjoy the car. Amazing. Alright, let's see if I can find some more roads. You know? Sometimes it just doesn't hurt to just go on a cruise in your car. That's what I'm doing today. It's been a while since I've been off the track and just go on a cruise on a road. Just find a road and just go. Beautiful area. Pretty nice area. Like to think I found myself another road. Looks like something's coming up. This car in front though. That's what I don't want. I don't want to put anybody else in danger. Let's put it in track mode. Track mode. Okay, yeah, there's definitely a car in front. I do not want to go. Going to, oh, leaving Flossenburg, going somewhere. Alright. I see a cool road, a lot of twisties coming up. Excited for this road, but there's that car in front. I don't want to put him in danger. I'll wait somewhere. Actually, FTS. F this. Let's just go. Let's just go. Screw it. Life's too short to wait to have fun. Okay. I don't think anyone's in front anymore. Person looks gone. Track mode, doing his thing. Woo. Oh, the car is in front. I'm about to come back around this way. Alright, oh, the road's kind of wet a little bit, a little damp. It's okay, I'll make it. And we got the SUV in front. Man, it's so fun to drive this car. So fun to drive this car. Yep. This channel, all about having fun in cars. I can't even stay in the lane. I don't know about you RCF owners, but to me, the Lexus RCF transmission, it kind of mimics like a single clutch, or mimics somewhat a clutch because it's got such a hard shift. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Oh, that's a good waiting area. Just the fact that it shakes the way it does. You see that little jolt? It jolts a little bit. Even though this car is a 5.0 V8, I do not mind wasting gas in this car because it's just too fun. Nice, somebody left. Okay, now I can have fun. Man, the RCF does really well with the curves. Really well. Especially the straights with the NAV8, so reactive. Don't tell me to brake. You brake. High speed corners. RCF does so well in this. That's the end of that one. But the RCF does so well in all these corners, does so well in all the high-speed corners, so well on the curves. Maybe it's the TBD, maybe, or just overall the RCF is a fun car. It could just be that, plain simple. But it is so fun to drive this car. Wow, beautiful out there. You know, right in front of me is Czech Republic. I should probably cross the border again. Yes. There's probably a lot of cars in front of me, but oh well. Let's go for slalom mode. Yes, let's go. Sorry if this is blinding you. It blinded me too. I almost hit that guardrail. The sun's very strong today. Ooh, slalom mode. Slalom mode at high speed? Scary. Slalom mode, high speed, very scary. And the sun is like, ooh. But hoping that I can show you that no matter what, you're gonna have fun in a Lexus RCF. That's all I gotta say. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, there's a car in front. Man, the sun's overpowering. Alright, I'm gonna pass this guy. Once I see that safe. Is it safe? Nope, it's turn. If it was a straight, I would pass him. Oh, is it cleared? Is it cleared? It is cleared. I'm such a jerk. But you know what? At least a signal and say, hey, I'm going to the right or left. I mean, I went to the left, and that signal said I was going to the right. Ooh, okay. Okay. Slalom mode, okay. Ah. No, son, no shit. Gotta slow down on these blind spots with the sun. One thing I try not to do is double lane takeover. I think it's very unsafe. Using both lanes for one vehicle. You never know. When there's the sun, and just somebody's coming out from the other side. Like this. And it's blinding. Here we go. Blinding. Oh. Oh, sharp turn. Brake and turn. Yeah, my car's a little too low. After I adjusted my car's height, it went further down some more, somehow. I don't know, I gotta fix it though, eventually. I'll eventually fix it, no more scrapes. But it's just the bumper fender. Is it bumper tab? Bumper tab to tire, that's what it is. And we're going. Almost done with this. There we are. Man, the F in RCF really does stand for fun, because I'm just kidding. The F stands for Fuji, as in Fuji Speedway, as in where this F brand program started. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I just want to show you guys how fun it is. I just want to go on a cruise. Hopefully you guys had fun enjoying me doing things. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. That concludes today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hey, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.